Welcome to Wake Up and Live with Bob. Today I'm at the Okehili Park in West Palm Beach, and I can't help but being fascinated by this banyan tree. Banyan tree has been a long time mysterious tree. Um, it's fascinating. It's very beautiful. If you notice, it's a bunch of vines. Sometimes it wraps around other trees and it holds them until years after it suffocates them. But it has a very interesting root system, as you can see, which makes a tree bigger than being able to get bigger than most trees. Very fascinating root system, interconnection of roots that makes it look extremely beautiful. But banyan trees in Jamaica, though, and most of the former slave colonies, were once places for slaves to gather. They gather and they would have the little fun they could have. They would gather on the moonshine, for example, in Jamaica. They would gather on the moonshine, and they would dance and celebrate all the newborns under the banyan tree, which brings to my point, a long song in Jamaica. It's called "Moonshine Tonight, come make we dance and sing. You there rock so, me there rock so, under banyan tree. You there rock so, me there rock so, under banyan tree." And it was one of the central trees for them, where if someone got married, they would most likely do it on their banyan tree. That's in Jamaica. In different slave colonies, it was one thing. For Jamaica, they would do that. All the famous events in their lives would a lot of it would happen under the banyan tree. All right. Needless to say, a lot of lynching would go on under the banyan tree, but we just want to cover the pleasantries of events surrounding the banyan tree. All right. Okehili Park is incidentally one of the many park systems in Florida. And the United States is very good at doing parks, by the way. They believe in recreational space. For urban areas, it creates a release for pent-up energies and, avoid, misguided energies, so to speak. And this is one of the many. My daughter and I are walking out today. She's home from college. She's off in the distance out there. Doesn't want to be too much in my video, but this is a little hill. Florida is one of the flattest states you'll ever find. It's so flat that most of the hills are things they make, and if you can see, we're on a little hill on the summit of a hill. This is a man-made hill, you can tell. So it's a relief to be up on a little hill, because Florida has very little of these. All right, so there you have it. The banyan tree, very fascinating tree. It's a tremendous sprawl of a tree. Very good. It's good if you have big lands. It's good for backyard. It gives a lot of shelter and add a lot of beauty and a lot of serenity to your property. All right, so thank you for watching Wake Up and Live with Bob. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video. I just thought this would have been a little interesting thing for you, a little step back from my daily socio-political issues I normally discuss. Thanks again for watching.